How does AWS Trusted Advisor provide guidance to users of the cloud? It identifies software vulnerabilities in applications running on AWS. It provides a list of cost optimization recommendations based on current AWS usage. It detects potential security vulnerabilities caused by permission settings on account resources. It automatically corrects potential security issues caused by permission setting on account resources. It provides proactive alerting whenever an EC2 instance has been compromised. Okay, it provides a list of cost optimization recommendations based on current usage. It detects potential security vulnerabilities caused by permission settings on account resources. Okay, which AWS service provides a simple and scalable shared file storage solution for use with Linux-based AWS and on-premises servers? S3, Glacier, EBS, EFS. EFS. What credential components are required to gain programmatic access to an AWS account? Access key ID, primary key, secret access key, user ID, secondary key. Access key ID, secret access key, yep. Which services are part of the AWS serverless platform? EC2, Amazon S3, Athena, Kinesis, SQS, EMR, Step Functions, DynamoDB, SNS, Athena, Cognito, EC2. Step Functions, Amazon, DynamoDB, SNS. Which of the following EC2 pricing models allow customers to use existing server-bound software licenses? Spot instances, reserved instances, dedicated hosts, on-demand instances. Dedicated host. What is an advantage of deploying an application across multiple AZs? There is a lower risk of service failure if a natural disaster causes a service disruption in a given AWS region. The application will have higher availability because it can withstand a service disruption in one availability zone. There will be better coverage as AZs are geographical, distant, and can serve a wider range. There will be decreased application latency that will improve the user experience. The application will have higher availability because it can withstand a service disruption in one availability zone. Which of the following is an AWS cloud architecture design principle? Single points of failure, loose coupling, monolithic design, vertical scaling. Loose coupling. A company will be moving from an on-premises data center to the AWS cloud. What would be one financial difference after the move? Moving from variable operational expense to upfront capital expense. Moving from upfront capital expense to variable capital expense. Moving from upfront capital expense to variable operational expense. Elimination of upfront capital expense and elimination of variable operational expense. Moving from upfront capital expense to variable operational expense. When performing a cost analysis that supports physical isolation of a customer workload, which compute hosting model should be accounted for in the total cost of ownership? Dedicated host, reserved instances, on-demand instances, no upfront, reserved instances. Dedicated hosts. Which EC2 instance pricing model can provide discounts of up to 90%? Reserved, on-demand, dedicated hosts, spot instances. Which of the following services can be used to serve large amounts of online video content with the lowest possible latency? Gateway, S3, Elastic File System, Glacier, CloudFront. Okay, S3 and CloudFront. Okay. A company is planning to migrate from on-premises to the AWS cloud. What AWS tool or service provides detailed reports on estimated cost savings after migration? Total cost of ownership calculator, Explorer, budgets, migration hub. Total cost of ownership calculator. Okay, which AWS service provides a customized view of the health of specific AWS services that power a customer's workloads running on AWS? Power a customer's workloads running on AWS. Service Health Dashboard, X-Ray, Personal Health Dashboard, CloudWatch. Personal Health Dashboard, okay. That's it.